Hi. Hi, good morning everyone. Meron tayong i-grade this morning. This is the special day to my cousin, to the cousin of Jack, to my cousin. Kung nanonood ka man ate, this is for you. Happy birthday. Kakantahan kita ng little lang. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Wish ko sa'yo, Ate Eva, sana maging strong ka, good condition, good health, and then more beautiful. Na katulad ko na sa'yo ko nagmana, syempre, beautiful. So, happy birthday to Mrs. Iba Pimentel from La Union. Pero nasa abroad siya ngayon, katulad ko. So, happy birthday to you, my beautiful cousin. Ito lang, oh. Naganda ako. Chung! Happy birthday. So, yun lang. Greet ko lang sa'yo. Happy birthday, Ate Iba Pimentel. Kung nanonood ka, para sa'yo. Bye, yun lang.